Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Bookly app. So let's get started. So here I will just go to the Google search bar and I will directly search for the Bookly app here. So at here I will just open it. Okay. So using is very easy. First of all, you have to click on begin. You have to select all the things. Just click on next. Okay. So at here you have to you can set your goals. You can set your monthly goal, yearly goal, and from here you can do it. Okay, so you can just click on here and you can just click on search book. From here you can just search book and you can just track your progress with your book reading, and you can check your stats as well, and you can have an assistant if you want. Okay, and if you store you can just set, and by this way you can use this app. And if you have any question you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.